Ever wondered how ChatGPT magically gives accurate answers using your company data? Let's break down RAG architecture in just 90 seconds. RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation, is like giving an LLM a superpower: the ability to look things up before answering. Instead of hallucinating, it retrieves factual data. Step 1. User query. The user asks a question. Simple. Step 2. Query. Embed vector. The text is converted into an embedding, basically the AI's way of understanding meaning. Step 3. Vector search in database. This embedding is sent to a vector database like Pinecone, Weaviate, or FAISS. The system retrieves the top relevant chunks from your documents. Step 4. LLM call with context. Now here's the magic. The LLM is called only after adding those retrieved chunks to the prompt. This means the LLM isn't guessing, it's reading. Step 5. Final answer generation. The LLM uses this context to generate an accurate, grounded answer. Real-time example. Imagine an e-commerce company. A user asked, "When will my refund be processed?" RAG retrieves refund policy document plus to transaction logs. LLM reads them and replies, "Your refund will be processed within 3-5 business days." Boom. No hallucination, no confusion, just facts. So that's how LLM calls happen inside a RAG system. Retrieve first, generate next, accuracy always. Want more quick AI breakdowns? Hit like, subscribe, and drop A in the comments.